This is called the one arm banded pull down. Two ways you can approach this. The first way, we're going to find a pull-up bar or a high anchor point. Obviously, the thicker the band and the higher the anchor point, the more tension and challenging this movement's going to be. The shorter, the less tension, the easier. But I'm going to take this band, I'm going to wrap it over the anchor point, and I'm going to put my hand here like such. I'm going to sit down to the ground. Okay. If you notice, when I'm sitting to the ground, the band is kind of protracting my shoulder forward. That's exactly what we want, okay? And we are going to retract the scap and pull down. If you notice, this band is a little bit too much tension because I'm not able to get my palm down to my chest, but we want full range of motion, which is gonna be protracted shoulder, band is pulling my arm pretty much out of, I shouldn't say out of socket, but away from me. I have to retract my scap and pull down. And if you notice, I'm turning my hand, externally rotating that shoulder as I pull downwards, okay? Other way that I could set this on up is if that's too much tension, I can pull the band through and I can do the same thing, okay? Now I can go a little bit further away from the anchor point. If you notice, it's not as much tension, it's not pulling my arm forward, but I can go upwards here and we're doing the same thing. Pull down, okay? Pull down. If I need to, I can anchor my feet onto something, but right here, this is exactly what we want. Pulling the arm and shoulder forward, retracting the scap, pulling that band down to the chest. This is a one arm banded pull down.